Ka office jong district electoral officer jong ka is Hills hindi kasengi kala pelaj pajba ya ka draft jong ka electoral rule ha kani kasengi hadin kejing pelaj pajba ya kani ka electoral rule jong ka is Hills district la yoi ba palat kumba arpunyau hajar arspa prapunyau kibriu kibadon kerteng kila jar ngai na kani ka electoral rule katkum kejing batai jong ki officer kibadai pet ya katanat election kila itu bakini kibaja kidai namar kimdon ya ka kerteng jong kikmi lani kerteng jong kupa kibadon ha ka SIR jong usnem ar hajar san shu la ituru batang na pentorum kra kidon hadu la hajar sospa nyau pa arngut na is silong kidon ar hajar kandai spa anri pulai na not silong kidon ar hajar kandai spa prapulai na west silong kidon lai hajar lai spa ar pusau na south silong kidon lai hajar kandai spa kandai puai na nong thamai lai hajar nyuspa nyopunru na maulai ar hajar ruspa nyopulai kadba ar hajar ruspa kandai punyongut kidai ke bomtre soi kerteng ha ka enumeration form.
Aware that the qualifying date of SIR is the 1st October 2026, which means any elector, applicant or voter turns 18 as on the 1st of October 2026 are eligible to apply for enrollment during this current special intensive revision. Let's have a look at the next phase of activities, since these enumeration phases were only completed. So today we are having the publication of draft rules, and the period of filing claims objections will be from today up to the 4th of September. Then the notice phase and the proposal of claims objections, which also simultaneously being carried out, but the disposal of claims objections will carry on up to the 3rd October 2026. Then we have the final publication of electoral rolls on the 7th of October 2026. The SIR House Drafts enumeration. These are few of the pictorial representations that we are presenting to you. We have already completed this exercise. BLOs have done tremendous job to get all the enumeration forms collected and digitized, and at present we have 100% complete digitizations of the enumeration forms. Now coming to the rationalization of polling stations, which is one of the aspect of the special intensive revision. If you look at the screen here, we have the number of PS pre-rationalization. That means before the rationalization exercise. So this is the number of polling stations under DC Shillong, which is 898, and under the subdivision, which is the Sora civil subdivision, we have 123, which the total polling stations is 1021. 1030 polling stations for the entire district, whereas under DC Shillong, we will have only 907 polling stations. So there is an increase of 9 polling stations during this current special intensive revision. So how many PS we have created? We have created, under North Shillong, we have created 1 PS extra. Of course, we have reorganized, and that polling stations is the Governor House, Pinewood Hotel combined together, and they will voting on in the Talents Club, which is the polling stations. Viva Road, they have a dedicated polling station now, under 17 North Shillong. Viva Road will vote in State Convention Center, and the Bishop Cotton Road will vote in the Garo Union Secondary Schools. Then under 18 West, we do not have any PS creation, but we just have just a relocation of the PS building, which is Tarak Bhavan, not Tarak Bhavan, sorry, what was the name? Meghalaya Hindu Mission. Then under 19 South, we have created 1 new polling stations, which is the Kinjat Football. And then under the 22 Nongkram, we have created polling stations for 3 localities, which is Laikor, Smith, and Nongkram. So these are the polling stations that are built newly. Then under Mauplang, we have merged 1 polling stations. That means earlier it was Marbisu Prudential, male-female. Now we have given a dedicated polling stations, which we have converted to a general voter. So we have created a Marbisu Madanyasep polling stations. So this is a new polling station. And under 25 Mausulam, we have created Tera Jamra polling station. Under 21 Konusla, it's now Sophan polling station. And under 29 Maukan Road, we have created Samlingi polling stations. So this is an overview of how the vaccination exercise has been conducted, and we have the status as seen on the screen, which will increase from 898 to 907 polling stations. 30,146 electors. Now, after the SIR, after the enumeration phase, we are looking at the number of electors at 5,62,160. That means a difference of 69,986 for the entire district. So these are uncollectible enumeration forms, which means that out of these uncollectible enumeration forms, there are some electors who have expired. There are some electors who are untraceable due to various reasons. Probably they may not be staying anymore in that place where the VNOs are noted, polling stations, and the BLOs could not find these electors. And in most of these cases, we have problems in the Shillong-based constituencies. Permanently shifted. Others, which mean there are some electors who do not even want to fill the enumeration form. That means they refuse to send the enumeration form for various personal reasons. So this is one of the issue that we face. Then there are some electors who are enrolled in 2-3 places. Now they have indicated that they want to remain in a single place. So that's why this number of electors have come down. Now if you look
in the country and the state, we have got so much apprehensions about the SIR, and we as a party also have met the Chief Election Officer, CEO, for many times, given him memorandums regarding the issues regarding the SIR, especially about the local authorities. But when this SIR is being taken place in the state, being implemented, and we found that everything is fine, everything's okay, and nothing wrong, no issues being involved in the implementation of the SIR. And I would also appreciate very much regarding the meeting for inviting us every now and then weekly meetings, review meetings we have every week, and which the sir and also especially Baroni, which as a party we meet with our district committee, we meet mostly with Baroni, and we have had a very good time and very educative time with the officers, and especially the thing which I want to express here is because they take us, the political parties, into confidence. Whatever issues involved, whatever anything comes out in any constituencies, in any areas, okay, they always discuss with us. This is the thing which I want to appreciate very much on the DC, the officers of the election of the state, and we have reached till this come out the
exercise, substance. So we would also like to thank our BLOs who are in the field, passing sleepless nights, coming time and again over our houses. Although they were supposed to come 23 times, but then they came more than that. Some of the BLOs in my constituency, they came even at 11 p.m. at night. So our sincere gratitude on behalf of our party to all the entire election team. Thank you.
The implementation of SIR, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner of East Khatsil has called us for a meeting. We have a lot of apprehension initially about this, and particularly when the Election Commission did not recognize the Rambashno. Some of our political parties have written to the Chief Electoral Officer about this. But when it comes to the implementation of SIR, we found that it was done in accordance with the Rambashno. All the information is given to the Rambashno. And the Rambashno, especially in the urban area, they have announced it through the SPA system in every locality. And food to reach to those villages.
I take this appreciate wholeheartedly the brilliant efforts put in, especially by the BLOs, the BLO supervisors, the AEROs and EROs, because completing this exercise for the entire district in 1 month was always a very tall exercise. But not only they have completed the exercise, but they have done it in a manner which is as diligent as possible. And simultaneously they have went about the exercise while simultaneously facilitating the electors. The role of BLOs was not to fill the forms. Their role was to distribute the forms and to collect the forms. But then They have went beyond their call of duty. To every household they went, whenever the electors requested for any help in forms, by way of filling the forms, by way of guiding them. They have spent considerable amount of time to handhold each elector so that to ensure that all the apprehensions regarding SIR, all the fear, all the rumor mongering that went around for the SIR, they were handled, and the exercise was completed at least the distribution, collection, filling of the forms was completed in a successful, diligent, and in a manner that inspired confidence amongst the public as well. I also take this opportunity to thank all the political parties for their relentless cooperation in this entire exercise. The entire exercise went on smoothly, barring this very small hiccup, and that too with the cooperation of political parties and with the understanding we were able to resolve swiftly. So thank you for that. Thank you for, as I understand, in many of the areas, the BLAs played a very vital role in helping the electors, in helping the BLOs. So thank you again. SIR, I mean, this milestone would not have been reached the way it has, with flying colors the way it has been without your cooperation. So thank you for that. And our Assistant Systems Engineer has already given the detailed presentation wherein what are going to be the next stages of this entire mammoth exercises that has been explained. If there is any doubt, all the EROs, AEROs, the entire election machinery of East Khasi Hills is there to clear the doubts which are there with the electors, with the political parties, and we would really appreciate if instead of keeping the doubts to yourself, if you come forward, if you ask these doubts, so that it can help everyone. So again, thank you to everyone for this cooperation, and we expect this